Listen, I got a great wife, and she tells me what to cook. She wants chicken, I'm cooking chicken tonight. We're gonna do rotisserie chicken on this beautiful French Le Cornu rotisserie. Should be a blast, just some minor trim. Now these are Jadori chickens, which are kind of like the Wagyu of chicken. Looks pretty good, get rid of the skin here. There's only 2 of us here, but I'm doing 2 chickens because the great thing about doing 2 of them, like this is a Friday night, and we got a bunch of stuff for the weekend, which is really fun. I mean, we can make sandwiches, we can make soup, we can make tacos, kind of anything you want. It's not like Forrest Gump talking about shrimp, but it really is what you can do. So it's so simple. Make sure there's no insides, Okay, we're ready. We're gonna start with the back side, and we're gonna hit it with Little Louis first. Seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. Here you go. You know I use this a lot, and I use it. Just give me a light coat here, get the pepper and the sodium going. And then we're going to hit, wait, look, I use new bottles here. You just learned how to open a big Poppa bottle, like Poppa did. We're gonna bring some Desert Gold in there to get the citrus going. Sesame, garlic, more garlic. There's nothing wrong with more garlic. We don't have to put a lot on. We're doing here. Give it a nice pat. Flip over. Always get those legs, get those wings good. Desert Gold. We're gonna spear them up and then we're gonna cook them. Meantime, while they're cooking, I'm gonna make a secret glaze. Make sure you get the legs good. Okay, got beautiful coverage. Now it's time to spike them, baby. So I've got this one. This is gonna take pretty much all the rotisserie area I have. Get in there tight. Tighten it up because it's gonna get loose as it goes round and round. This one in. Since this is the breast, I want it like this. Okay? And look, I can move it down a little bit. Now that I have them on, I know exactly what the spacing is. And one last one. And now we're going to take, these are the greatest things, I bought them on Amazon, but I can get everything kind of tightened up here. You've got the wings there, these legs tight. We don't want them flopping around, we want them cooking even. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, we got them trussed up, and let's load her up. Look how easy this is. Well, that is looking beautiful. All right, now we just watch it. This is the easy part. Boom, boom, boom. Let's start with some soy. I'm gonna guess this is about 3 tablespoons. Pop a key lime in there. I love citrus, you know that. I love citrus. You know, there's always acid, whether it's vinegar or something else, and I prefer citrus. Here, a little Meyer lemon. So we've got 1 lime, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of soy, some real blood oranges. Now, why do I use blood oranges? Let me tell you the truth. Because they're trendier. It looks good when I do my Instagram page. Oh, blood oranges. Let's see how this is tasting so far. More orange, more cowbell. So it's 2 blood oranges. Now, I use pre-done ginger and garlic. But here we go. This is for just ease. It's a Friday night dinner. About a tablespoon of garlic and maybe a little more ginger. Because ginger is really good. It's so good we named a dog after her. Now, secret honey. Honey from Jeff Staney and Joy Staney's Bees in Kansas. That's about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Should be enough. I still have 1 ingredient. The secret ingredient's coming. Let me mix it up here. Let us simmer while I fold in the next thing I'm going to do here. Do a quick taste. Delicious. A little sodium and pepper right there. Little Louis. A little Desert Gold to get some dried citrus and more sesame in there. It's really good. And it's going to be even better Miso. You have miso soup in Japanese restaurants. Miso is such a good flavor. I know you're not used to using it, but we're going to take a nice heaping teaspoon that's almost a tablespoon. It's going to give us some more sodium, but just a great flavor. Look, it looks like I've done this before. A little taste. That's so good. So now we're just going to cook it on low and simmer. Break it down. I'm going to get it boiling first. But look how simple that was. You saw it's a little lime, it's a lemon, it's 2 blood oranges, it's a squeeze of garlic, a squeeze of ginger, it's some Jeff Staney and Joy Staney honey, it's some soy sauce, and some miso. So miso, soy. You're going to be tested later. Honey, garlic, ginger, Desert Gold, and Little Louise. I think you passed the test. So it's boiling now, which means I can take it down to simmer because I want to thicken it, because I want it to be a glaze on the rotisserie at the end. And I want to caramelize it just a little bit. Caramelize is the word for almost burning it, okay? Now we're down to low. It's just doing great. See you in a little bit. Quickly tossing string beans, butter, Parmesan, and Desert Gold. You guessed it. So we'll set that aside here. Let's do some fun basting. Asian reduction I did. Over to this side. Now we're getting close. Super close. I may not even be in trouble. Okay. Hey kids, this is tricky. Whoa! I only made a slight mess there. Big and beautiful knife. Stayed pretty tight. Okay, almost ready for the fun part. Okie dokie, this is really fun. We're almost there. Get these legs untrussed. Get these wings, I'll break it down, I'll put it on the platter, and we'll be serving some beautiful food. There we go. Another leg. That's coming off so tender, so nice.